In this video I'm going to show you how to set out and cut these so your tray can slope down and onto another surface. You could also do the other way around, it could be going up and over an obstacle. To achieve this we're going to set out 30mm, then 10mm and 10mm, by 50 and 10 and 10. These back marks with the strikes down are telling me they're bends when they are not cuts. They're simply to ensure that our lines and our V cuts marry up on the other side so that it will bend down straight, otherwise it will bend down at an angle one way or the other. So mark out our first measurement, 30mm. Then 10mm. Another 10. And 50. And 10. From those marks we'll mark vertically down on both sides to give ourselves a centre line to work on. Now we're ready to make some cuts. Place it in the vise so a steel rule will fit in there. That means when you do your cuts you will take out that curve. So first we have 3 straight cuts. And the remaining cuts are V cuts. So we've done these 3 straight cuts. The next 3 cuts will be these V cuts. They allow the tray to return. If it helps you, you can draw on these V cuts or just literally mark them out with a saw and do it by eye. As long as you meet that bottom apex. Get in the habit of filing your cuts straight after doing them, you have less chance of cutting yourself handling the metal. Now we go to do the other side. Now your two sides are cut. They should line up on the back at their apex. You're ready to bend. File all of your cuts. Now to bend, lean the piece over the edge of the bench and then work round and bring it back until it's the height that you require. In this case we're going for 30mm. So I can close that up a little bit to 30mm.